Hi guys, thank you so much for joining us today. For those of you joining us for the first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, we appreciate your support. This week's video, I am so excited to share with you how I take down all of my items for fall and get us ready for the most wonderful time of the year. Yes, guys, it's Christmas! So I'm so excited to share with you guys how we clean up and get ready to put up that holiday decor. Check it out.
Yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah. Love you better, oh. Love you better, love you better. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. 'Cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time, 'cause I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip. No, you gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I know we just met, but it feels like I know you. We love the same things. You want a house in Malibu. Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'm sorry for what I have put you through. I still have you on my mind, my mind. My focus been drifting away from you. Just wasn't our time, our time. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. 'Cause I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it, 'cause I swear I will. Love you better, yeah, yeah. Love you better. Oh, love you better. Love you better, Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind, my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness.
And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for staying with us until the end. As you can see, the house is decluttered. I've packed up everything. I'm taking it over to the storage unit, and I am picking up all of our holiday decor. And you know I had to give you a little sneak peek of how we get our house together. Decorate with Me is coming up next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on Instagram. And also hit that subscribe button and support us. Until next time, guys.